In our house, Christmas usually starts with one thing: baked ham. That scent fills the kitchen and the whole season begins. But this year, something was different. Thelma, my sister friend, came to visit, and the first thing she asked was,
Did you bake any cake?
those words, did you bake any cake? Now you know how we Caribbean people are. Ask once and the spirit moves. Before I knew it, I was pulling out the butter, sugar, and fruits like it was Christmas Eve. I didn't plan this, but sometimes the people we love remind us of the traditions we forget. Cake, not just the taste, the memories, the waiting, the sharing. Growing up, we used to beat this batter by hand until our wrists begged for mercy. We'd fight over who stood last, obviously, because the last one gets the bowl. So yes, this year Christmas didn't start with the ham. It started with one question and a slice of sweet Caribbean fruitcake. Tell me, what food announces Christmas in your house?